Writing a research proposal or a research synopsis for your research project, for your PhD project, or any of your thesis, it could be a really daunting task. But thanks to AI has made the things quite easier for us. I will just quickly show you through two free AI tools how you can structure and how you can take AI's help to write a very good research synopsis or proposal for your project. So let's go. So this is ChatGPT. First time on the ChatGPT, and I will actually get help of ChatGPT to write a good research synopsis paper. I have just written my prompt already in the ChatGPT to save time. So see what I have given the prompt to the ChatGPT, that your role is that of a seasoned researcher. First, I assign a role to the ChatGPT. So your role is of a seasoned researcher. Next, I wrote that please give me a great checklist for writing a research proposal synopsis for my research project. Now I'm asking it to give me a checklist for a great research synopsis or research proposal. And in the end, I asked ChatGPT, please give me 5 top references as well, because I also wish to, get some top resources, either articles, blogs, or any such checklist available that most people around the world use in top institutes. So if I wish to learn more, I wish to deep diver into writing a research proposal synopsis, I can read those references or sources for making my project well. So this is how I have just given the command to ChatGPT. Now let's boom see what ChatGPT gives us. In my previous videos on writing a research paper on ChatGPT, I already told that ChatGPT won't write a whole paper for you on topic. It can, but it is useless. What you can do is to get its help of AI, ChatGPT, other tools to be smarter, to save your time, to get its structure of that project, outlines of the project. It will just makes your work quite easier and give you very good way forward. So it's ChatGPT is still, I guess, thinking, probably due to some slow internet out here. Now let's wait for a few seconds. Hopefully it will respond. So let's wait for ChatGPT, and what I will do, I will go to another top AI tool that's free and as well as paid. Even the free version has a lot of features, and it is somehow, you can say, that better than ChatGPT nowadays, and it's Google Gemini. You must have heard of it. This is a AI platform of the Google, and it also has here on the right top, this is Gemini. This is AI of the Google actually. So it has also two forms, a Gemini free that I'm currently using and a Gemini Advanced. So I don't need the Gemini Advanced. What I did, that I also copy and paste the same prompt in for Gemini as well for that. So you're same, that your role is that of a seasoned researcher, and give me a checklist for research proposal, 5 references. And what you can do is Gemini is, you can either put an image or you can talk as well. So just forget everything and click here. Now you see that Gemini is working faster than Google or so ChatGPT. The ChatGPT was still waiting and thinking. Just Gemini has just written everything for you, and see what it has given you. It said the seasoned researcher's checklist for a stellar research proposal. It is giving you a star. This Gemini, it's giving you a gem, and say that in the starting you have to give the introduction and significance of your research project. And it is also actually telling you the step by step. First is you have to give this introduction and significance of the US study. And see, it's not just writing introduction, it is giving you few points as well, how you write your introduction and significant. That should be clear and concise. Title, give a clear and concise title. Does your title accurate for research topic? And it's just telling you compelling introduction. I'm not going into details of reading. Significance of the study, why your research matters and how it contributes to knowledge. Then it asks you second portion, that's this, you have to write a literature review for your topic for that. And in that literature review, Gemini is giving you some guidelines how you will demonstrate the expertise, uh, identify gaps in literature, credible sources, some use credible recent academic sources to support your arguments. Again, it is giving you these such clues that how you will write that literature review. Then it is showing you next you should write your research question. Hypothesis is very important. You will have to, and how you will write, again it's giving you tips that your research topic should be focused and feasible. It should be clear, specific, achievable, and guiding your research. Then testable hypothesis if applicable. Every research question does not have a hypothesis, so I'm not going into those details, and just purpose is to show you how this can help you. Then in methodology, everybody worries what to write in methodology in synopsis. So in synopsis methodology are 4 or 5 points that you have to write, and those are very easy to write. Just you have to first write your research design, whatever research design is. Say it could be a survey, it could be experiment, it could be a cross-sectional, or it could be a case control. So first thing in every methodology or research synopsis, you will write your this research design. Second will be your sampling strategy. How did you select the samples? And what is your sample? Third would be data collection methods. You will explain in details what are your data collection methods. That what could be that you will take a survey, it is a qualitative study, you will take in-depth interviews from the patient, or you have a performer or anything that you will use to, or you can take it through some electronic medical records. So this is how you will explain your data methods. And in the end, in method, you will just last portion of method is you will write your uh, data analysis plan. That just you will write briefly about. So yes, my laptop is just doing some problems. Okay, here we go. That in the end you will write the data analysis. That okay, what kind of, how you will analyze your data, and how will you actually apply the statistical tests and timeline and budget if applicable. If your research project is one of that is uh, budget is applicable and is funded, you can write about those things. And in the end you will just give the summary points, additional consideration, ethical consideration. It is giving you that obviously you have to consider ethical consideration, you have to take the ethical review committee approval. And okay, in the end, see, the Gemini has given me top 5 references on research proposal. This is very important. Top 5 research proposal. And what are these top 5 references? It is given me, okay, this one paper for writing another. So this has given me some 5 sources that you can copy, paste in a Google and search for those sources. What you can do in the end is to just, what you can do is you can copy this response, go to your worksheet and just save it. Sorry, I don't have to copy this. I have to copy my Gemini response. Copied, and I will have see this whole of your research proposal template is here with you. Now see what ChatGPT did for us. So okay, sorry, there was some problem with my computer probably, and ChatGPT also given me that so rapid response as well. So this is the response that ChatGPT given you. Again, it is saying that first thing should be your title, and it should be concise and descriptive. And same thing as the Gemini, that ensure your title reflects the research focus and within 10 to 15 word, not to be short. And then you have to write the abstract, obviously a summary of key points. Keep it to short, 150 words. And introduction, that ChatGPT is okay giving you that background information, literature review, research problem, and you have to give the research objectives of the study as well. Then you have to write research questions and hypotheses, just like in Gemini we did. And methodology again, we 4-5 points. Study design, your population and sample, data collection methods, data analysis plan, any ethical consideration. And you will write your expected results, Actually, you write your outcomes in expected results, potential findings, significant study, timeline. You will take the timeline if there's any timeline associated, the budget associated reference, and in the end, these are top 5 references from the ChatGPT. Okay, I can see that probably these 5 top references are similar, or some of the things are similar actually. Just give me just 3, it didn't give me more, just give me 3. I will just copy it and just paste it as well. So use in my, so this is how you can take the help of AI to write a really good research proposal. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thank you.